Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, but they did not get the best offers on Amazon or any other website. So they are asking me what will be the right price for this tablet. Mostly students are interested to buy this tablet for taking notes with the S Pen and also multimedia consumption and good battery backup. So they are asking me whether they should buy this at 36,000 rupees, but I will suggest them to wait for few days when they can buy this tablet at a price point under 25,000 rupees. Currently the price of this tablet is very high, so it will not be suggested to them to buy this tablet right now. But if you can wait for a few days, you can get Independence Day sale on Flipkart and also on Amazon.in. So in that sale you can buy this tablet well under 25,000 rupees using credit card, and also some discounts will be there. So I will let you know about those discounts and offers. If you ask me, I thoroughly enjoy note taking on this tablet using S Pen, which comes free of cost in the box along with Tab S9 FE Plus. Plus the large display is an added advantage for me to have a good screen size, and I can adjust the screen, and also I can utilize the screen size to my benefit. And also the apps like Clip Note or Clip Studio, Note Self are well optimized for this tablet. Also they have special collaboration with Samsung to give you the best experience while using it with S Pen. Though Tab S9 FE Plus comes with the basic S Pen, however you will not feel any kind of latency issue while writing anything on the screen. As you can see here, a lot of users actually want to know whether they should go for iPad 10th generation or they should buy Tab S9 FE Plus. I will suggest you to go for Tab S9 FE Plus if you want the storage, but if you don't want the storage you can buy iPad 10th generation also, because in that tablet also you will have great experience because the processor of that device comes with A14 Bionic chipset, which is very powerful compared to Tab S9 FE Plus, which has Exynos 1380 processor, which is not as powerful as Exynos A14 Bionic chipset. Plus the multimedia experience on Tab S9 FE Plus is immersive. With the 12.4 inches LCD display, you can enjoy HDR content with this tablet, be it Netflix, Amazon Prime or any other OTT platform. You will thoroughly enjoy your multimedia content along with surround sound. The most important thing that makes a difference between iPad and Tab S9 FE Plus is the use of S Pen. S Pen is free of cost inside this box, so this is a very good option for you to have note taking experience without spending anything extra. But in case of iPad 10th generation you have to pay another 8,000 rupees. In the conclusion, you should definitely wait for the Independence Day sale when you will get this device well under 25,000 rupees with cashback. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. I will let you know about the coming offers. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.